Today on An African You Should Know, I'm going to tell you about Kwame Nkrumah. Kwame Nkrumah was born on the 21st of September 1909 in Nkroful in the Gold Coast, now Ghana. He became Ghana's first Prime Minister in 1952 and later its first president after independence in 1957. Nkrumah is known for leading Ghana to independence, the first in sub-Saharan Africa, promoting Pan-Africanism, helping to found the Organization of African Unity (OAU), now African Union (AU), and advocating for African self-rule and unity. Kwame Nkrumah died on the 27th of April 1972 at 62 years old. He is widely regarded as one of Africa's most influential leaders. Kwame Nkrumah believed Africa's freedom was incomplete without unity. He is an African you should know. An African You Should Know is written and produced at TechSpot.